Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. Now, at first, just open up your browser. Then on Google, search for Google Meet. Then just go to the first link, meet.google.com. This is the official Google Meet website. From here, at first, we need to create a new meeting. Just click on New Meeting. Click on Instant Meeting right here. Then just wait for it to load. And there you go, a meeting has been created. Now, to share your screen, you have to make sure you're hosting the meeting, or at least you have the permission from the host to share your screen. Just close this. And to know if you have the permission, you can see this present now icon. This should be grayed out if you don't have the permission. Mine isn't grayed out, that means I have the permission to share my screen. So I'll just click on present now. After that, I can screen share my Chrome tabs or any other window on my PC or my entire screen. I'm gonna share my screen too. I'm gonna select this and click on share. And then just wait. As you can see right here, my screen share has already started. Now I'm sharing the same screen, so it is giving an infinite loop. So I'm just gonna stop presenting. And there you go. And basically that is how to share your screen in Google Meet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.